Hi learners, welcome to my channel Global Academy of Tally. In the previous video I shared with you the various buttons of Gateway of Tally, which are also known as function keys. Now today's topics I would like to share with you are company info, how to create a company, then how to change date and financial year. Sure. In this video I would like to share with you how to create a company. The first screen of Tally is Gateway of Tally. So when you select the Tally ERP9 icon on the desktop, you can see this screen startup. In this startup, use the downward arrow key to select work in education mode. Now enter. Now you can see the Gateway of Tally, the first screen of Tally. In this you can see the company info menu. In this menu you can see an option called create company. So we have to create a company. We should go for selecting this create company. Okay. Select create company option, then enter. Now you see the company creation screen. So in the company creation screen, you see first the name of the company to be typed. You can see. So enter the name of the company which you would like to create. So let us start a company. So enter the name, again enter. Then next detail of the company requires is mailing name and address. So again enter, then you type the address of the company. Now again enter. You can select the country from the list of countries which are exhibited on the right side. So we have selected our country India. So select India from the list and enter. Then next select the state from the list of states. In the list of states we can see on the right hand side. So Tamil Nadu we can select. Then enter. Then we got Tamil Nadu. Now we can enter the PIN code, that is postal index number. So you can enter the PIN code of the area of Chennai city. Six 0 0 0 0 1. Enter. Now you can enter the phone number. Then afterwards enter the mobile number if any. Enter. Then any fax number, email, etc. you can enter. Fax number if it is there you type, otherwise leave it. Next email address you can type. Email address you can type. Now enter. Then afterwards any website for the company also you can type. Website. Next enter. Now here one option comes, financial year begins from, that is 1/4/2020 is there. So it is the current financial year is there. Now books beginning from, it is also same, that is financial year starts. So don't enter the closing date of the financial year here. Now enter. Here security control. Security control options is given. Tally, vault, password, if any, you have to enter the password. Suppose you would like to have password, you enter the password, and if you don't want to give any password, you can skip it. Suppose if you enter a password, you must remember the password. When you want to select the company, this password must be used for selecting the company in the list of companies. Better when you are now in the learning stage, no need to keep the password. After getting some experience, you can go for keeping a password for your company. Now you can enter. Then use security control. Suppose if you are having a password, type yes. Because we are not keeping any security control, no password is there. So leave this no as it is. Now here the basic currency information is given here. Basic currency symbol is given here. You just select, already selected, enter. Next, what is the formal name for our country? Country's currency. Indian rupee, INR. Then suffix symbol to amount. Suffix symbol to amount is no, because we are writing rupees before the money. So we are not suffixing, so it should be no only. Next, add space between amount and symbol. Yes, you must keep some gap between rupees RS and symbol RS and the amount. Next, show amount in millions. In India we are not using millions, so this should be only no. Next, nature of decimal places. How many number of decimal places we are having in rupee? So normally we are keeping 2 decimals. Okay, 2 decimal places we can keep. Yes, enter. Next, word presenting amount after decimal. That is, in India it is paise. If it is a dollar, you can type cent. Okay, now in India it is a paise only, decimal point we can enter. Next, number of decimal places for amount in words. How many decimal places normally we are keeping? 1 rupee 50 paise. That means 2 decimal places we are keeping for amounts in her words. Okay, now you can enter. Afterwards you can see a box accept question mark. If you want to save this company which is created by you, you can select yes. If you don't want, you can say no. So now we want to save this company, so enter yes. Now our company is selected. Now look into this. Look into the gateway of Tally. You can see the gateway of Tally work area BSK Limited is entered. So we already created a company. Now we got this company on the desktop. Now we are having the current period and the current date. How to change the date is very important, because now it is 1/4/2020. This is starting point. Suppose we want to change the date. I ask you to change the date to 1st May 2020. How to change the date? We can change the date by using F2 function key. So F2, you can click, you can find the current date 24/2020 came. Now we want to change to 1/5/2020. So you just type on that 1-5-2020. Now you can enter. Now we got 1st May 2020 as the current date. So we can change our financial year also. How to change the financial year? After completion of this financial year, you want to go to the next financial year. We must change our financial year means we have to select F2 underline, or you can click in the button panel F2 underline. So I am clicking here F2 underline, that is for period. Now we got a box in which we can see change period. Now we are going to change this period from 1/4/2020 to 31/3/2021 it is. From this we are going to 22. We want to start from 1/4/2021 to 31/3/2022. So how to change? Just type on the date itself. Now what is the date you want? 1/4/2021. Now enter. Now what is the ending? 31/3/2022. Okay. So now you can see the financial starts from 1st April 2021 ending with 31st March 2022. Now after changing this financial year, you can enter. So enter the key in the keyboard. Now we got the financial year changed. So current period also changed and current date also we can change. So this is the way how to change the date. For changing the date we must use F2, and we want to change the financial year, we have to select F2 underline. I hope you are able to follow how to create a company. Thank you. In the next video, I would like to share with you how to alter a company data and how to delete a company. So please subscribe my channel for the upcoming Tally videos. Please like and share this video for updating your knowledge. Thank you.